What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, guys. So the game plan today is we're going to do the lifetime Discord giveaway. So that's going to be number 32 out of 50. $500 cash is coming up as well. So please make sure you're liked and subscribed, my friends. And stay tuned to the end for the giveaway, okay? The 100% win rate is continuing again. We are 2 for 2 on the week. I'm going to walk you through all of this step by step. We're going to do a market outlook, and then I'm going to walk you through everything. Make sure you guys are ready for this week. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. You can hear me loud and clear. Let's start off with the post. This chat, hit me with the 7 if you guys can hear me. I think I should be good now. Hit me with the, I was on the hotspot. I just turned off the hotspot. Can you guys hear me? Hit me with a 7. All right. Apologize about that. All right, guys. Like I was saying, we're doing the lifetime Discord giveaway today. So I just linked in the chat the Father's Day link. All you got to do is click on these 2 guides, drop a like, and leave a comment, and I'll pick the winner at the end of the stream. Okay. All right. So back to here. So 100% win rate again this week. I only took 2 trades. Both of them were winners. So I want to walk you through both of those trades right now. Then we're going to look at the market outlook, and then I'm going to talk about a few other things. Okay. So first thing, let's start off here. So I just took a screenshot of my portfolio. I just want to walk you through. So month to date, guys, I'm up over $42,000. This has been my greatest month ever. And I just want to take a second to say thank you guys for all the support. It hasn't been an easy journey. I've been on a really amazing winning streak for the last 2 weeks. And I've been able to take my unrealized gains, buy more contracts, and make 3 or 5 times the amount of money that I would normally make because I'm risking my unrealized profits. All right. So thank you very much for that. And I really want this account to grow to $1 million one day. And I'm going to keep working my ass off to get the best quality trades for everyone and to share with you guys the whole journey. Okay. All right. So going back to this week. So I did sell 6 of the micro contracts for a profit of 25, 65, and 6 cents. Okay. So these were the swing trades from last week. Let's zoom out real quick and talk about those trades again. So what we did last week with the micro contracts is I added in every one of these fair value gaps. All right. And I also used the Fibonacci tool coming from low to high. I bought this 618 right here. Okay. And then from there was another 618 right here. If I come off of low to high. Okay. So I kept using the fair value gaps and the 618 combined, and I kept buying contracts. I sold those. Okay. If you were doing the small account challenge, that one play on these micro contracts would have doubled your account. So that's over 200 points with the micros. All right. So 200 points with a full size contract is 10K. It's going to be $1,000 with just one micro. So if you were doing a very small account challenge, you would have been able to double that as well. And as you guys can see, I built my way up to 6 micro contracts because I kept using the unrealized profits to add more. So I started off here, added more here, all the way until finally I got trailed out. I actually got trailed out using my trailing stop loss was on this hammer bar, and you can see it poke me out. So I ended up getting out of those. However, I did re-enter. So let me hop into the Discord here. I did re-enter 2 micro contracts at the close, which was a day trade that went really profitable, ended up becoming a swing, and I'm going to walk you through that right now. Okay. So the 2 trades that we took this week, okay, one was on Friday and one was on Thursday. So I'm going to walk you through those trades right now. All right. Hit me with a 3. Can you guys hear me okay? Everything good now? So I bought 2 micro contracts at 10:37 a.m. All right. So right now I'm on the SPY chart and I really want to take some time. So let's take off these fair value gaps. I want to show you the power of using futures and why looking at the futures price action is important. Okay. So I ended up going long here, you guys. 7:37 a.m. Pacific, 10:30 a.m. Eastern, which is right here. Okay. So why would I go long there? All right. So let's stop. Let's think about all the possible reasons. Why would I go long here? Obviously, in hindsight, looking at the chart, I got the low of the day. I look like a genius. But why did I want to go long there? What do you guys think? Let's make this session interactive. Throw in the chat. What do you think? Why would I go long here? So there's a few things. This is a double bottom setup. Obviously, it looks amazing in hindsight. But the real reason that I wanted to go long here, guys, I'm going to switch over the futures chart and I'm going to show you why. Okay. So this right here, this is the 1030. All right. So if you notice coming into the market, we actually made a low at 7:05 a.m. right here. Okay. So this low, this 7:05 a.m. low, if you go to the regular trading hours, you don't see it. Okay. Because the market opens at 9:30 a.m. However, looking at the chart right here, we can see at 7:05 a.m., there was a buyer that pushed this market up, right? And how many points did this buyer push this market up? Roughly 25 points. So coming into the open, this is the 9:30 candle. Here's the market open right here. So let's go ahead and put an arrow here. This is the market open, okay? And then we start to pull back at the open right there. And I ended up getting long at 10:30. Why? Well, my friends, check this out. If we take our Fibonacci tool from the low of this, so this is the 7 a.m. low to the high right around 9:45, you can see we pulled back perfectly to the 618 level, okay? And then from there, we ripped. So this is the reason why I went long on Friday. This has been helping my win rate really significantly by using high probability setups, Fibonacci, as well as the fair value gap. Because if you look right here, there's one fair value gap right here. And then there's another fair value gap right underneath. Okay, so let me go right here and then do it again here, right there. Okay, so not only did we have the 618, but we also had 2 fair value gaps supporting that long play. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. All right, and I'm going to go into the Discord and I just wanted to show you guys. So this was the live callouts that we had on Friday. You can see right here, 7:38 a.m. Pacific, 10:30 a.m. Eastern. We got filled long. This is what the chart looked like in real time. So you can see right here, this is the 618. This is the 7 a.m. low that I was talking about right there. And we got filled. And then from there, 382 target, 214 target hit, home run, send a boom. So the home run is when we get a new high of day. And then this continued to squeeze into the close. And I am still holding it right now. All right. So that I'm on this day trade, that became a swing. I'm up almost $300 on this play right here. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense, my friends. Okay. And this trade, not only did we have the text alert, but this was shared in the screen share. All right. So please, guys, if you are in the Discord on Thursdays and Fridays, try to come to the screen share or just listen in on the mobile or wherever you are. And we actually walked through this trade live. So this trade was taken in real time with everyone. Also, in the Fibonacci newsletter area, we have the recordings from the stream. Okay. So this is the Friday, June 14th stream recording. If you're new to the Discord, please watch this recording because you can see here, this is showing you why we took the trade and the fills and everything called in real time. If you're in a Discord that's not showing you things in real time on screen share, then you never know if they're actually telling the truth. That's the unfortunate thing about it, guys. All right. So I really try to add this feature here to help you guys learn and also to be transparent. All right. So there we go. So that is the Friday. And now we're going to move over to Thursday. All right. So on Thursday, I ended up going long at 12:39 Eastern, 9:30 a.m. Pacific. So on this trade right here, I just want to walk you guys through just the regular trading hours. All right. And I'm going to go, so 12:39 a.m. Let's go right here. So for those of you that don't want to look at futures at all, and you just want to trade regular trading hours, and maybe you're just looking at SPY, this is exactly what I would do. Okay. So I'm going to hit the replay here for you guys, and I'm going to walk you through exactly why I took this trade. So you can see my fill right there. Okay. All right. So the first thing coming into Thursday, we can draw the previous day's low and the previous day's high. What's going on, Gabu? And what you'll see here, my friends, let's start to play. We open inside of the range. So this is inside of the range, okay? And what we're expecting is some chop and an eventual reversal. Inside opens are usually choppy, okay? They're usually back and forth. They're usually within the range, all right? So from here, this is our first candle of the day. We start to push down, and then eventually we tag the previous day's low right there, okay? So we tag the previous day's low, and you can see that anyone that's shorted right on the low is starting to get potentially trapped, right? And then we continue the price action. And then right here, guys, we make a new low, okay? But watch this low right here. Boom, bang, right here, okay? What is this? What is this right here, guys? Let's zoom in. What is this? Why would I go long right here? What is this? Does anybody know? What is this? This is an outside bar at lows, okay? So the bears are trying to continue this trend to the downside, but as soon as they do that, a big, powerful bullish bar steps in, okay? Breaks through these last two candles, and that's where I got long, looking for this bear trap, okay? And then you can see from here, we rallied into the close, all right? Really, really good. The other thing to note about this Thursday at 12:30, if we go to futures, we were inside of this fair value gap right there in the 4-hour chart. We were inside. So this is around this candle right here. This is the 4-hour chart. So this hammer bar, that's what makes this hammer bar. This hammer bar right here is made by this, okay? So you can see this right here, this V right here is this hammer. That's what a hammer is. It's a V. All right. So that's one of the reasons why I want to take that play. And just 2 day trades on the week, just 2 trades on the week, guys, and 100% profitability. The win streak is alive, and I'm going to try to continue again next week to not have any losers. I want to continue the 100% winning streak as long as I can. Hit me with a 3 if that makes sense. All right. So those are the 2 trades. And right now, my current holdings are as follows. Let's go back in Discord. So this is what I have left. I have 1 full ES contract, almost $10,000 up, and I have 2 micro contracts. That's what I'm holding going into this week. Okay. Amazon. I just wanted to let you guys know that I closed my calls on Amazon. All right. So we ended up going long on the 618 right here on Amazon. This is the hourly chart, and we took options. And we took the June 14th, 177.5 calls. They actually went to a high of about 12 something. Unfortunately, the 12 something, guys, was right around here. So I wasn't able to get the exact high. I ended up selling on Friday. So I still made double on the Amazon calls, but I didn't get the absolute high. I was hoping that Amazon was going to continue to trend into Friday. But nonetheless, making double your money on some calls is great. Okay. And for anyone that wants the stock plays, I just want to make sure you guys check out the pinned messages. They have all my setups in here so that you can stay on top of everything. And we also have the stocks Fibonacci channel. So you can see this was the original Amazon call out on the 1-hour chart. And then this is where we took the calls. Okay. So hit me with the 17 if that makes sense, my friends. All right. So I want to take a quick second to do the market outlook. All right. So let's go ahead here to the weekly chart. So what we can see right now is we closed with a very strong bullish candle into new all-time highs. If we scroll down to the hourly chart right here, futures is open. We have this massive fair value gap, And you can see we've traded into this fair value gap and we continue to rally. So until the low, okay, until the low of this fair value gap is broken, everything is just buy the dip until and we go higher. That's it. Okay. So I just want to make sure you guys understand that the only real direction I'm looking at right now, my friends, is long, as long as this fair value gap can hold. And you can see every time we came into the fair value gap, we rallied higher. All right. And I'm just going to keep it simple like that. NVIDIA, I want to go to the daily chart right here. NVIDIA continues to lead the market as well. So same thing here, guys. These are very bullish candles, and you don't mess with bullish candles until their lows get taken out. Keep it that simple. Tesla on the weekly chart. So this is an outside bar trap on Tesla. Tesla is a very trappy. So I think Tesla can have a very big climax this week. All right. It's either, earnings is coming up. Let's see when. So 17th of July. So it could be potentially choppy for that month, let's say. But with this outside bar trap, there were a lot of bulls that got trapped on the news. Okay, so there was some news on Tesla. We had the gap up and they just sold them right off, guys. So there's a lot of trap bulls in there. So I just wanted to point that out. I think there's going to be some great action in Tesla this week. All right, hit me with the 15 if that all makes sense. Okay, I'm trying to keep it very simple for you. Rich, is the fair value gap you use from the 15-minute chart? So the main fair value gaps that I use are on the 4-hour chart. Okay. And then I go down to like the 5-minute chart to look for entries, but the 4-hour is where I'm looking for significant fair value gaps. All right. I'm also going to be doing a Trading Wars seminar that's going to be coming up. It's going to be focused on the fair value gap Fibonacci combo. All right. So something like this. So this was my best trade of in a while. I won't say of the year because I did have some really nice trades this year. But this one right here, the reason I'm calling this one of my best trades of the year was how scary it was. Okay, so this is a fair value gap, you guys can see, but my entry was exactly on this 618. And as soon as we touched that entry, guys, as soon as it filled, it just exploded up. And this is why my message on Fibonacci, it's been something that it took over my life, because when you get a real good Fibonacci trade like this and it touches the 618 one time, guys, just one time, it'll touch it, you get filled, and boom, it just shoots right up. That is just inspired me, because then I realized if I can figure this game out, I can make a lot of money, because obviously it's not just random. When you touch that one precise level, we rock it, right? Hit me with the 10 if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to be doing a seminar coming up. It's going to be free to all members. And it's going to be free to anyone on the YouTube with the green badge, like Michael, Keith, Bill, Dr. D, RC. Anyone that's paying the $4.99 a month, you get all my free picks on the YouTube. Plus, you're going to get access to the seminar. All right. So click the join button below for $4.99. If you guys want to be a part of the seminar, it's going to be free to all members. And if you're in the Discord, obviously, it'll be free. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. And we'll do the lifetime Discord giveaway right now. Please make sure you're subscribed, okay? And make sure you're dropping the likes. Okay, so here we go. Let's hop in here. Boom. So I am GabuBot. Welcome back, brother, to the Trading Wars Army. Yes, you will have access, my friend, to the seminar coming up. All right, guys. So let's hit I am Gobu with a 5. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Welcome back, brother. When you trade option, what contracts you use? So my option contracts are always 2 weeks out, one strike out the money. I'm not using option contracts intraday to day trade. I'm using futures. Okay. All right. So here we go. Have you guys commented? Hit me with a 2 if you've commented. I'm going to hit the refresh button, and the third comment from the top after my comments will be the winner. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you guys like 5 seconds, 5 more seconds. All right. All right. I see the 2s coming in. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh, wait, gotta go back to my post here. There we go. Okay, so comment number 1. So this is a bot. These are bots, okay? So just please ignore these bots. So this is the first comment. Wow, these bots are crazy. Second comment and third comment. All right, so Miss Janice, you are the winner. More great trades. Miss Janice, you are the winner. Janice, are you in the chat? Hit me with a 7 if you're in the chat. So Janice, you are the winner. Please email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll get you all set up with your lifetime access, Miss Janice. All right. I don't know if you're in the chat, but if you are, I'll throw you up on here. So appreciate you guys. Listen, that is number 32 of 50. There's still a lot more giveaways coming. So don't feel like you missed out. You're going to have a lot more opportunities. I try to do at least 1 to 2 giveaways per week. So just make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the posts. Okay. And for Father's Day, I'm going to do a flash sale. Anyone that wants lifetime Discord, yep, there you go, Janice. Boom, you are the winner. All right, just email me, and we'll take care of you. Okay. Thank you, Janice. Appreciate you. Appreciate all your support as well. You're always here. Thank you. All right. So this is what we're going to do. Father's Day flash sale. All right. Power of the 618 Fibonacci. You'll get my book. All right. You'll get my book plus lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society for the swing trades and lifetime access to the screen share for $100. Okay. Flash sale next 48 hours. Anyone, email me, rich@tradingwars.com. I'll send you the link for the lifetime Discord, $100. You will get access to the screen share for the options and futures. And my friends, I will get you in as soon as I can. All right. So one thing I want to mention, a lot of people have reached out to me for the deal and their email is blocking my email. Okay. Because I think it's because I'm sending a PayPal link that your email is blocking it. If you haven't heard from me and you've requested the deal for the $100 for the lifetime Discord, please DM me on Twitter. Okay. You can DM me right here on Twitter, guys. So let's pop up the Twitter. You can just message me. Or what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'm going to post in the pinned comment, I'm going to post the instructions how to get access. All you got to do is click on the PayPal link and put your email in and send the $100. And once you put your email in, you'll get a copy of the book with the Discord form to fill out. Okay. All right. So I hope that all makes sense. And a happy Father's Day to everyone out there that's celebrating. I appreciate all of you guys. And I want these winners to continue. All right. So thank you so much for your time, guys. Appreciate you. Have a great rest of your Sunday. And I'll see you bright and early, ready for the market tomorrow morning. All right. Take care, my friends.